Good afternoon. So I just wanted to do a quick walk around of our new to us Kubota Excavator. It's a 2010 Kubota U35. I bought it from the original owner. It has just under 1,200 hours on it. Angle blade, hydraulic thumb, which was important to me, both of those features. Be nice to have a cab, but can't get everything you want, you know. We got it, from the original owner in Fargo, North Dakota, so it's just over 1,000 miles each way to get it, just about a 2,000 mile round trip. A little sun faded. You can see the seat we just had reupholstered, so the seat's all new, but really that was the worst of it. So the rest of it I think is in very good shape mechanically. Should be a solid machine, so I'm just going to try to do a little video of it working today, and I'll try to do more videos of it down the road as well. Well, so far I've probably only put about 10 or 15 hours on this machine, but it seems great. Everything works very smoothly and it has good power for its size. It's about 8,500 pounds and it can dig very well for what it weighs. I will try to make some more content and more videos of this thing digging and on different projects I have it on in the future.